I will.
I want this flash on me. Oh, that ain't fucking...
I sure did.
Hey, come right through and splash. The front yard ain't got no more water in it. The ditch is almost empty.
Oh, man.
It's about got that much in there.
Damn.
God damn it.
Mikey had to open up that fucking drain.
You broke it. Leave the choke off. That's what I was gonna do. Probably because she got wet. Spark plug could have took a dump too. It's all clean underneath here though.
Definitely clean.
Broke it, Michael. I didn't break it. Lost the spark.
Oh, goddamn, you go home.
Right, I'm going home. You broke it. You still got it on record?
Yeah.
That's fun though, man.
It is fun.
Hell yeah, it is. It'd be nice if we could do it through the day when the sun's out and shit, you know.
Right.
Not fucking burnt. Fucking crisp. Keep the bronze on. I was gonna mow 4 fucking yards a day too.
Now you ain't mowing them for 4
That's
more.
why
Are you gonna put us on YouTube?
I sure am.
Because we got a little bit buzzed last night.
How long is this video going?
2 minutes right now.
Keep
The
it going.
other one, I think it was like 5 or 7.
Keep it going. I'm going home. You hurt my feelings.
Yeah. We're gonna kill mommy.
Don't worry, well, we'll get her started.
Oh, I ain't worried about it. I can walk home.
Almost like I clear a flooded engine. Check the spark plug. Huh? Check the spark plug. I did. Check it. Check the plug, Michael. Arky plug.
Drip of water running down my back.
You want to
making
pull it up
in.
to there? No, just go grab a spark plug, wrench in a fucking thing, and change the plug where it sits.
I got some over there, but you'd have to walk over there.
I told Walt, so you imagine if we had the purple sportsman
Well, you
still?
can
Oh, I
swim
know.
halfway, fucking ditch. Well, not now.
You can swim to Austin's all the way
We're
over
gonna
the wall.
do the belly crawl.
Keep it recording, Nikki.
Keep it recording.
You
You done broke it.
I'm telling.
You ain't
These
riding
flies
that
are
fucking
biting.
lawnmower. Get your own.
Get the spark.
Battery strong, isn't it?
Thank God.
That's
Take
good.
the spark plug out.
Huh?
Have to take the spark plug out. I was gonna say, it probably needs a new one. It probably got fouled out by driving it. Probably. Well, how long has it been since you changed it?
I haven't drove it much either.
I'll have to run up here and grab the socket real quick. Keep it going, keep it going.
He said, keep it going.
What for? Ain't nothing going on, see it? Broke. Mike broke, fucker. They're getting fixed and bought out of beer. Water's fun, but I hate it. Fuck all my
Still got it going?
Yeah.
Keep it going, Lord.
161 Sport Club.
Gotta get a Honda.
Anything but a fucking Polaris. Fucking junk.
Gotta get a Honda.
Let you down in the middle of the fucking swamp. Nice ride.
All you Polaris people. Oh.
I bet them trails are nice. I bet they fucking
Mhm.
horrible, man.
They're
Oh.
probably flooded.
Can you imagine out by the creek?
That fucking,
Right.
that one, yeah,
Oh, we'd probably sink up to our tanks.
on the corner right there.
Yeah, I think we're foul, Walt.
Huh?
I think we're foul. I figured it was fouled out.
Yeah.
Drive me over to Walt's real quick.
A lot of moisture too.
Yeah, it's fouled. You definitely tell. Where are they at? Where are they at, Walt? On your bench?
Huh?
On your bench?
Yeah, it's in that little cubby thing. You'll see them. There's like
All right.
four
Will you
of
hold
them
that for
there.
me?